Want to keep track of your tasks in a visually appealing way? In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple task tracker app in C# using WinForms and progress bars. This app is perfect for beginners and will only take a few minutes to create. Let's dive in. We'll build a task tracker app where users can add tasks, mark their progress, and delete completed tasks. The app will have a list of tasks, each with a progress bar to show completion status. The UI is already set up for me. Just a text box for task input, a button labeled Add Task to add new tasks. A flow layout panel to dynamically display style to look clean and modern. Let's write the logic to dynamically add tasks to the flow layout panel when the Add Task button is clicked. Each task will include a label for the task name, a progress bar for tracking progress, and two buttons, Increase Progress and Delete. Here's the code for the Add Task button. Just look or write together with me. Let's go through the code. This block of code executes when the Add Task button is clicked. It creates a new task dynamically and adds it to a flow layout panel. The code first checks if the task name text box, text task name, is not empty or blank. If the text box is empty, it shows a message box with an error, prompting the user to enter a task name. A panel is dynamically created to hold all controls for a single task. It is sized to fit the width of the flow layout panel minus a small margin and has a border style for better visibility. A label is created to display the task name entered by the user. It uses the text from our text box and is positioned at the top left corner of the panel. The auto size property ensures that the label resizes automatically based on its content. A progress bar is added to show the progress of the task. It is positioned next to the label and starts with a value of 0, meaning no progress. A button labeled Increase Progress is created and positioned next to the progress bar. When this button is clicked, it checks the current progress of the task. If the progress is less than 100%, it increases the value by 10%. Another button labeled Delete is added to the right of the Increase Progress button. When clicked, it removes the entire task panel from the flow layout panel, effectively deleting the task. The label, Progress Bar, Increase Progress button, and Delete button are all added as child controls to the task panel. The newly created task panel is added to the flow layout panel, allowing it to appear in the user interface along with other tasks. After the task is successfully added, our text box is cleared to prepare for the next input. Sometimes, dynamically added controls may exceed the form size. To fix this, set the auto scroll property of the flow layout panel to true. This allows users to scroll through their tasks if there are too many to fit on the screen. And there you have it. A simple task tracker app built with C# and WinForms. Now, let me show you a real-world example of how this task tracker can be used. Imagine you're a developer tracking your daily coding goals. First, let's add some tasks. For today, I'll work on implementing a login feature, fixing UI bugs, and writing unit tests. Now, as I make progress on my tasks, I can update the progress bar. Let's say I'm halfway done with the login feature, just a couple of clicks on Increase Progress, and there you go. Once I finish a task, I can remove it from the list. Let me delete Fix UI bugs since I just completed that. This tool is a quick and efficient way to stay on top of your daily goals. Whether you're a developer, student, or just managing personal tasks, this app has you covered. Customize it further by saving tasks to a file or adding more progress tracking features. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun coding projects.